Assalamualaikum kelas. Video itu takayatan pabalik ano ba ita discuss etam last meeting, no? Yan na ba ng axis of symmetry, y-intercept, and x-intercept, maka vertex. Okay? So batian baksa tayan axis of symmetry to. Here is a line that divides an object into two equal halves, thereby creating a mirror-like reflection of either side of the object. So atin na, ya axis of symmetry to, at tanda bimi tumano, magraptam, ya axis of symmetry yan na bilu to, yan na line bilu patahanan. Okay? Na yan ang axis of symmetry. So ito ya formula na. Okay guys? Ito ya formula na bang bating gani nga axis of symmetry to. Okay? So niya mi to example. Pero later, tasayo bidu, ya point ni to, ni onan do sa ya vertex, no? Bus ito do sa formula na. Tasayo bi later, wait lang. Bina do sa discuss ko last time. So, ito ya given, x squared negative 4x plus 1. So, determine ta minga value A milu, minga B, di ba? Kasi kalagyan mi ma formula. So, value A tam 1. Understood niya 1 minahan. So, positive 1. Then, value beta is negative 4. Okay, mas second term na. Okay? So, next. So, may ito example tam. So, balikan ko. Ito yung example function tam. Y equals x squared negative 4x plus 1. Okay? So, binata determine tam yan value 1 which is 1. Value A ba? Which is 1. Value B, negative 4. May second term na. Okay? So, ba't tinaan? Substitute tam si Gamni. Formula na din sini. Which is negative B over 2A. So, tanda tam, minaan ya B nan, negative 4. Okay? So, substitute tam minaan, negative times negative 4 over 2. A tam is 1. Kaya 1 dyan. Okay? So, negative times negative, positive yan. Negative times negative 4, positive 4. Over 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? So, atin na, 4 divided by 2, 2 answer na. Diba? Diba ito yung kudin sini, axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry na line, mito kaya ito, tandaan. Pero, yabang taka na, ya value na, ito to, vertex do sabi yan. No? Vertex iya. Anda bimi to matanga to nganan. Ya point minaan ni onan vertex. Tina vertex tam 2. Yan ni onan sub axis of symmetry to, iya na line cat ito to patah pa dayo to. Na. Okay? So bale niya ano sigam relationship sigam. Okay? Balikan ko ito ya axis of symmetry then point minaan vertex. Okay?